Hey y'all, back with another watch me polish video. I already have on the garlic top coat. I'm going to be using my new paparazzi when skies are gray and my Hello Kitty OPI, my favorite gal pal. Also my color club emoji called chill. This is a fun color club that has like ghosts and hearts, the emoji poop and emoji faces in it. So I'm going to do a couple nails with the light blue. I'm going to do a couple navy, and then I'm going to do a couple accent nails with the emoji polish. So some of y'all may know that the paparazzi that's sold at CVS used to come in different bottles. So this is the newly shaped bottle, and my first time trying it in this bottle. The formula seems to be a little bit different than it was when they were in the fatter bottles. You definitely need a couple coats. It comes out a little bit thin, but it wasn't really too bad. It took a minute to dry, so that's why I went ahead and dried that first coat before I did the second. And also, the old paparazzi used to have a very strong smell to it, so I didn't smell that with this formula. So I guess maybe they got that together, because I didn't smell anything with this formula at all. So there I was working on my second coat. You'll see me cleaning up in between some of the polishes. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with the navy. Now this one I've had a while, shook it up, and it still came out like a little bit watery. So I definitely needed to do 2 coats of the OPI. Okay, so while I'm doing this, I want to talk about that color club, honey. Now, there's a reason. I was thinking, like, why hadn't I used this more? I think I've only used it once, and I see why now, because it was so messy. First of all, it's so hard to get the emoji pieces out. I had to pour it out onto my mat to get them up. It spilled all in the cap, and it was all over my fingers, my cleanup brush. Like, it was a mess. I cleaned off the rim of the polish bottle. All of that on that napkin is what was on the rim of the polish bottle itself. Girl, it was a mess. So I only ended up doing my 2 thumbs and 1 ring finger, because I just did not feel like dealing with it anymore. So I didn't put it on the right hand. But yeah, I did get each piece of the emoji onto a nail: the kiss, the ghost, the poop, the face, and the lips. I don't know how, but I turned a 30-minute video into 3 minutes, so I hope y'all liked it.